So this presentation is going to cover an explanation of how to do your Why Study History sheet and Doodle notes. So this is what you're looking at, the sheet that you have, two-sided, talking about the various reasons why and how history is studied. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this sheet to fill out this sheet on the back. So taking a look back over here, you're going to start up here with this first part with the bent pencil there. You can sort of see, kind of gives you a hint what the answer is that goes here on the line. So if you look, so it says start with, and if we go back, before we do that, I'm just going to show you how this whole sheet is going to kind of flow. So it's going to go this way through the actual article, and then down this way, and then it's going to come up here to the computer screen. And what I do want you to do is put down 2 or 3 question marks here on the screen, and then using the paper, you're going to find the answer of what questions you should ask when using the internet as a source. Then you continue on, you're going to talk about what a chronology is, some examples of why chronology can be used, and then finally goes down here to what's an era, and then wrapping up with a generalized response of what you believe history is, as they mentioned at the end of the article. So going back here, you can sort of see the very first part of the question that you're supposed to fill in, and it's right here in the second paragraph. So if you look there, it says you must start with a question. So that's what's going to be going on in the other sheet. So if we jump back here, you must start with, and the fill in the blank is a question. Then the next thing, it says next you gather evidence. And so evidence is there, and you see colon. And so in this box, you're going to go back to your article, and you're going to try and find the word evidence and fill in a definition there. So here we are on the article, and you can sort of see in the next paragraph down here, they start talking about evidence here, and then they give a definition right in this area. So here is the beginning of it, and then this next part is the part that should go on the Doodle notes. It is information that can be used to prove your statement or support a conclusion. So that can go right here in this box, and that's what goes in that area. You move on to when they talk about including artifacts, so you're going to define what an artifact is right here. So let me just jump to a different kind of screen here. You can sort of see it goes right in this area. You go back to your article and figure out what is an artifact, and then you'll just move on. An artifact is a man-made object, and then you're going to move up here through primary sources, and then down through secondary, and so forth and so on until you're done with the sheet. Any questions? Let me know.